Hi there, I am Melody Mooney, and today I'm giving you some tips on how to fold your clothes. We're going to be working on folding a sweater. So first things first, go ahead and get yourself a nice flat surface. I always fold on my kitchen table, but you could do it on the floor or on the bed as long as it's a flat surface. Okay, next, go ahead and make yourself one of these 1x1 cardboard cutouts, because I promise you're going to be using it for everything on here on out. It's like magic. Go ahead and get yourself that. Next, take your sweater. Now, after your sweater has been through the wash and you're drying it out, don't ever put it on a hanger, because what will happen is it'll stretch out and it will lose that nice shape. So don't hang up your sweaters. I always recommend to let them dry flat and then fold them. Okay, so first things first, get the sweater, shake it out a little bit, and you're going to go ahead and put the sweater face down on your folding area. There you go. With your arms stretched out, so you're looking at the back of it. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I always put a little, if I'm putting it away for, let's say, maybe the summer, I put a little dryer sheet in with it. It'll just make it smell nice and when it come out like it's fresh. So I'm going to put that on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this 1x1 sheet of cardboard right in the center under the shoulders. Okay, next I'm going to take the left-hand cuff of the sweater and the bottom of the sweater, and I'm going to fold it to where the cardboard meets the material. See, I'm creating that nice line. And then take the cuff and fold it back to that line. So there you have your first. But let's do that again on the right-hand side. Okay, take your right cuff and the right bottom, and you're going to fold it over to where the cardboard meets the material, getting that fold again. And then take your cuff one more time, place it towards that cardboard edge. That is your arms. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take the bottom and fold it up into the middle, just like so. Now, you can feel underneath the material where that cardboard is. I'm going to remove the cardboard out of the top like magic, and I have one more fold to go over like so. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's ready to be stored, and it's going to smell really nice too. And that is how we fold a sweater.